for say hashtag fix the country, any hashtag fix yourself, and no any dear edi entrene or may emu woke be now one can ya boy one can be soon out to baby come one aqua ye a year asem cassie and some. Now I was here for stone boy in a baby. I want to one fan one jeans and remove crabono ya can't ya baba frono. Now no and I say after Prince David or say and soon said there be said the number echo one also saw a gun and ya one also saw enkasa emfa and some no ebi. Now said the winning no ban 2020 about to yen nim party awojina ede ema ya wo ye campaign ede ema wo mu na eno na wo ba bekasa no wono ko gina the side of fix yourself no ewono na no na ma chese ne day abaye bi susu de na bufuo abesi ni so chese wonya ye krampa nkodi ni nsachi ebebobo Prince David Osei asumwa enesa ni nyina Prince David Osei ne nsam o de kokotu edwa SM. Just maybe if we fix ourselves first, then we can fix our country. We are full of hate, greed, selfish, and non-chatland attitude. God help us. Hashtag fix yourself. Now, I don't know to say, you know, ni di, woman, to a day, boy, which they want to say, one not dear. And yeah, so I turn the voice a day ama political party be an Prince David say well no and I turn the voice a day ama political party and no crampo or one now we sang one ababitra a year and drum and to one snack muda and go do quantum poor baby a 1 year one can say a yakwan ye nyeda and to be na one dina ama no no and I must say kakra will be near and I can ama tafre dinti want me and can no credit say you bayim and you wake can buso and sempa a atu edanabusem for my nkotie no embrane ba yebetwaso
Ghana for and many meraho na many abre Prince David was say she wo ba mi a kamede me sechi and a big jam wani so wo ba mi a I have so much respect for you, but for you to say this, I am highly disappointed and highly gutted in those very insensitive comments coming from you. See, say what cotton voice am a political party be na unya shinka. Please shut up and let wise people speak wisdom. We live in a country where we don't even have decent education for children. And you sit down there and you tell me the country is full of greedy people, the country is full of selfish people, and if we fix ourselves, the country can be fixed. Really? Who would not greedy and yet selfish? And how about voice am a political party? If you are not greedy and selfish, will you sell your voice to a political party, even if it's alleged, even if it's true or not? What you've tweeted or what you've written on your wall goes a long way to show what a hypocrite you are. So are you trying to tell me that you don't see the problems in this country? Are you trying to tell me that you've never sat in your vehicle driving on the road and complained to yourself about the bad roads we have in this country? Have you ever had a family member who has been a victim in the hospital because they tell you that there is no hospital bed for that family member to lay on and that family member will die? Have you had a woman friend in your life that will go to the hospital so we live in a country where we have poor educational systems. Free education. The question is it quality education? And you sit in your home and you pick up your phone and you have the effrontery, the temerity to type and say that the country is full of selfish, greedy people, and so we should fix ourselves and the country will be free. Oh, but Prince, I really respect you so much, but today you showed me how low you can be able to hear this Drew. Listen, let's not be dismissive of this issue. And the political parties, this is not about NPP, NDC. We are talking about the country. Today, the DSP is telling us, "Yen to me, quiet demonstration because of coronavirus." Asuma, yen to me, a campaign with Corona. When coronavirus was at its peak, yeah, campaign. You got two aba. Who Prince David was saying, "You were panta," said gorilla. Eshe NPP t-shirt, yeah, campaign for two aba. I don't mean to sound like this, but today I am pissed off. And I am so emotional about this issue. Prince, if you don't have anything to say, just shut up. Just shut up. We will not sit down for this NDC MPP people to be sponsoring counter hashtag that fix yourself. What are we fixing? Let's not be dismissive. Let's be discerning. If the government promised us this, then they come and tell us what it is. The economy is not good, and when we come, we will fix it. You have come. You have 4 years. You see, you should even be grateful that this is happening in 2021 because you have 3 more years to do something for this country. What are you telling me? Then you come and stand and say, fix your attitude. All those of you who are saying fix your attitude, hey, if you don't have anything to say, just shut up. Just shut up, Prince. And all the other people that are saying that we should fix it. If you sold your voice to a political party, some of us, we have not sold it. And we will speak and we will stand for this country because this is what we have. This is our country. And we will fight tooth and nail to ensure that the country will be a better place for the next generation. The country is full of greedy, selfish people. Why when you said then Chamayase? Woo! Please, if you can't, kasa, just shut up. Let discerning people who risen, and ka baby or tea krasi wo kuriri, and anka ukona ukodo koko, and anka wo bako tina format the chem, a trail from anka me can I should fix my attitude. Me fix me attitude na petrol call form. Me fix me attitude ni enya road wagana hana. Prince, huh? Just shut up. Now, dear, Sanko Hone Sabra. Nasabe can pass your the impudence.
Na assemble badebi. Na mama shadow. Hashtag face the country no. Anko for a protest no. The right thing because I was saying and you woman intimi enkoye. And a so that hashtag fix yourself no. And also another right thing and also was a intime mufono. Yansu yeshana tutu namo NCA. Na say yes to me share ye so said ye nyoma. And no bit me abwa more minus so a year and pong. And it's a wage na wage na no way can. I didn't mean can do moment say we should all face ourselves, then we can fix the country. Say and I won't know ACF. Maybe I'm imagine I don't know sen can even na ye couple me di juma ebeboa and I was watching chef from NSA who's still face the country no the most important thing than fix yourself nana. For the channel ebe to a die obo kwan so ni die kwan so I will too much your comment section na ebiem so like a videos na share all the social media platform so media any equia sikapa that's ne yebeson edi share ebi makram.